Unlock a floodgate of visitors to your website with these top SEO tips. First, focus on keyword optimization. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify high-traffic keywords related to your content. Integrate these naturally throughout your site: titles, headers, and body text. Second, never underestimate the power of backlinks. Quality backlinks from reputable sites signal trust to search engines. Reach out to industry influencers or guest blog to earn those valuable links. Next, optimize for mobile users. More than half of internet traffic now comes from mobile devices. Ensure your site is responsive and loads quickly. Speaking of speed, page load time is crucial. Lastly, produce high-quality, engaging content that answers your audience's questions. Search engines reward relevance and value. Consistent updates keep your site fresh. Use a content calendar to stay on track. Implement these tips and watch your website's traffic soar.